In this video, I will show you how to pause your account on OkCupid if you need a break from dating or just want to step back for a while. First, open the app and go to your profile. It's the icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap on Settings at the top right. Scroll down until you see Pause or Delete Account. Tap on that and then hit Next to begin the short exit process. You will be asked a few quick questions like why you're leaving. I'm going to choose another reason. You can answer or tap Skip to move faster. Eventually, you will reach the screen that asks what you'd like to do with your account. Here, just tap Pause My Account. That will hide your profile, but you won't lose anything, and you can come back anytime. Super easy and no need to start from scratch later. And that's how you pause your account on OkCupid.